Hi, I'm Dr. Melissa, and we're going to be talking about cookbooks that you might want to gift during the holidays or the new year. So vegan soul food, pretty cool. It's great for holiday meals. It has peach cobbler in here, some mac and cheese, the basics, candied yams, even some cajon like that chicken. If you really want to try and feast, you can, or black eyed peas fritters. It's really good. Mushroom gravy, buffalo sauce. Learn how to make really good sauce, and a cauliflower corn chowder, avocado slaw, really good. Check it out here by Nadina. And then vegan Soulicious. Okay, now this is exciting because you can get plant-based island cooking here, and I love it. And it's a mixture of fun. You can see how she has her Jamaican influence here into these dishes. It's really exciting to see, full of flavor with sauces and stews and teas, pineapple tea, and you can hear her story. I really love hearing her origin story and her culture, what brings her meaning and purpose in life, and what gets her fired up. So yes, it talks about fried plantains, even how to make vegan fried chicken out of these mushrooms. Pretty cool. So check out her story.